Hey there, Dots and Geist with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today we have a new trade-in that we just took in. This is a 2019 Scout 215 XSF. She's got a Yamaha 150. She is the digital throttle and shift, just under 105 engine hours. It comes included with the trailer as pictured. You'll see in the back we've got the optional ski tow, the freshwater washdown, the aft pull-out bench. We've got the standard leaning post with the igloo cooler underneath. She's a traditional T-top with the Sunbrella canvas and storage bag. At the helm we have a Garmin Fusion Bluetooth stereo with 4 speakers. We have the indicator switch for our Lenco trim tabs. And again, you'll see just under the 105 hours. She shows 103 at the moment. We got some testing to do and some sea trials for personal customers. This boat also has a trolling motor, so we've got the battery charger right there. And if we come down towards the console, you'll see we've got a 36 volt trolling motor set up. So still room in there to put a day head if you would like. Moving to the front, you'll see this Minn Kota. It was very light used, doesn't even look like it's got a scratch on the skeg. But again, that comes included in purchase. That does have the spot lock. You'll see the full seating package. So we've got the integrated backrest on the front, designated anchor storage in the bow with that trolling motor plug. So nice and off the deck. We have the chase lounge. She has a full boat cover from Laporte's Boat Covers. She'll come included with new safety equipment, anchor rope chain, fenders, dock lines, everything you'll need. We have storage on port and starboard. So that does have the, once you put the plug in, you can use that as a dry box and as well as a cooler box if you want to convert the chase lounge to that. We'll take a moment and go outside, but we've got plenty of goodies in the exterior. But again, if you'd like to see this boat in person or maybe potentially take it out on a sea trial, feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, my name's Dots and Geist with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks. Alrighty, now that we're on the exterior, you'll see we've got the two-tone, but she's in the black hull color. I know that's kind of hard to tell in some of these videos sometimes, but two-tone, so nice clean bottom. She's been lift kept and the trailer's been stored in the garage for majority of her life outside of using it for services. We see, again, we've got that Minn Kota, the color match powder coated T-top. As we come to the back, again, here's our Yamaha 150, again, digital throttle and shift. Our swim platform with 3-rung ladder, Lenco trim tabs, as well as our secondary port ladder on the backside here. She's turnkey, ready to roll. We'd love to get you on the water. If you like this Scout, please give us a call.